Hi breakfast cereal eaters, and welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what have we got this time? Well, this is from 1990 and it's Nestle Shreddies Wildlife Comics. Let's take a look. So I've only got the packet back for this particular one. This one was with shredded wheat, but you've got information about this help raising £100,000 for Operation Nelly that had been launched. And then there's got further information about the actual comics and the actual poster that you could send away for. And then you can, obviously it says here, discover what animals are hidden in Africa with this exciting adventure map. Simply collect the wildlife stickers from inside your free wildlife comics and stick them onto the map. So you had to get this by sending off 8 tokens and 50p, which seemed an awful lot of tokens actually for something that, well, I'll show you in a minute, is relatively small. And these are the comics, so all 6 of them. So they're all fun sort of caricatures of animals on the front, and they're in this sort of booklet format, a bit like the ones that I've shown previously, like the Home and Away set. So we'll have a look at each of these in turn. You'll see they're all sort of sealed down originally. And to make sure you sort of open them carefully, I found the best way to do that is to use a pencil, and then you can rip it without actually ripping the comic too badly. And then inside you've got information about this sort of Operation Nelly and raising funds for the elephant. Then you have these sort of cartoon images of the respective animals, so and a bit of a sort of a profile on each. So you've obviously got monkeys there, you've got a quiz, and then here's the answers to the quiz as well. Then here are the animal stamps, and I'll show you that in a bit more detail, but you get 2 stamps for every single book, and these all perforated and self-sticking. You then get some jokes, you know, why were elephants the last animals to leave the ark? Because they had to pack their trunks. So a lot of work went into that, clearly. Got some stuff about alligators, ostriches, and then there's some information about Operation Rally, and then joining the Rally Club. So that was comic number 1. Comic number 2, some information about cheetahs, a bit more about ostriches, another quiz. There's the stamps, so we've got a giraffe and a crocodile on this one. Some more jokes. What's the best way to talk to a roaring lion? Long distance. There's a floating pig, the hippo, and some more stuff about Operation Rally. There's number 3. Again, what a big head. Pythons. Real water babies. Some more information about the hippo again. Another quiz. So they all follow a fairly standard theme. You've got cheetah and the fish eagle here. I won't read any more jokes out because I'm sure you've had enough of those. Taking it easy about lions, and then water buffalo. Oh, and here's an example of how it can go wrong when somebody opens the actual comic incorrectly. So they've obviously ripped the front of this one. So here's some stuff around baboons. Again, a bit more on buffaloes, quizzes. This time we've got the python and the lion, zebras, there's flamingos, and a bit more about the club there. Cheetahs, more flamingos. I think the bits where they duplicate them are different, but here we go, there's more stamps. So we've got gorilla and zebra in this case. There's the rhino, and something to do with chimpanzees. And finally, comic 6. Elephants, leopards. So it's interesting that they've interspersed sort of real life photos with these sort of cartoon caricatures of the animals. The quiz. Right, here we've got the hyena and the wildebeest, gorilla, the brave men, the rangers, and Operation Rally. So that was the 6 comics. I mentioned earlier you could obviously send away for this poster map as well. So this is what it came as. It was literally this. It was a big sheet of card folded into 4, and you'll see that you could stick the stickers into each of the respective areas. So elephant, crocodile, cheetah, zebra, got the python, the hyena, and obviously it's branded Shreddies and shredded wheat. But here's an overall image of it all, so you can see what it's like. And it's obviously showing the whole picture of Africa, and obviously where these sort of operations are all taking place. So I guess this was a nice poster and something to actually have on the wall, especially if you managed to collect all 6 booklets. I presume it was a bit of a bummer if you didn't. Anyway, if you're interested in this and other cereal offers, please subscribe to this channel, like and share it, or visit my website cerealoffers.com, click on Cereal Partners and then Shredded Wheat.